Old mirrors are usually thrown away and forgotten. But with sunlight, they can become a powerful source of free energy. Using old mirrors for solar panels or solar heating systems is a smart and practical idea, especially for rural areas. First, old mirrors are very cheap and easy to find. Many homes, hotels, and construction sites discard broken mirrors.
We focus the mirrors onto the black absorber, and as you can see, the temperature quickly reaches boiling point. We now have hot water.
By reusing them, we reduce waste and save money. Second, mirrors reflect sunlight very strongly. When the light is focused onto a black surface or water pipe, heat builds up quickly. This makes mirrors perfect for solar heating and simple energy systems. Another big advantage is that no electricity is needed. The system works only with sunlight and gravity. No fuel, no batteries, no power bills. Using old mirrors is also good for the environment. Recycling materials and using clean energy helps reduce pollution and protect nature. This technology is simple and easy to build. With basic tools, farmers and DIY builders can create, repair, and improve the system themselves. Solar mirror systems can be used in daily life for heating water, cooking food, drying crops, and supporting farming activities. Old mirrors are not garbage. They are an opportunity. By reusing them, we turn waste into energy and sunlight into a better future